Hi, what's good? In today's video, we are going to be creating Twitter cover, profile, photo, and headers in CorelDraw 2021. So, without further ado, let's step into it. So, right now, let's create an object with a rectangle tool, just like so. Then we go over and give it, size. It's gonna be pixels. Then let's change the size to, that is for the header, is gonna be 1.5 by 500. It's okay, good. So for the what's it called, for the photo profile, it's gonna be 400 by 400 by 400. It's okay, good. So right now, let's go over and just create the design for the Twitter. So right now, what you're gonna do is to go ahead, we have to really keep it simple. Let's go ahead and use our color eyedropper to sample the color right here. Then you go over and pour it on the objects. So right now, what you're gonna do is to just make a copy of this layer. Then you Powerclip, hold out key on keyboards, then you adjust the picture just like so. So right now, what we are going to do is go ahead, make a copy, then you go ahead and just select your what's it called, transparency to go ahead and just let's set it as a screen. But as let's use color bond. Color bond is not okay. Let's use subtract, multiply. Oh yes, multiply will be okay. So right now, what you're gonna do is to go ahead and just make this picture bigger. So we are going to Powerclip this into place right now. Powerclip, then hold out key down, then select the Powerclip object. So right now, let's mirror it to the outside. So let's go ahead and just type happy 60th birthday, happy 60th birthday. So right now, let's go ahead and just change the font to Jotter. Then you change it to white. Good. So what we are going to do now is to reduce the whole text. Then you go ahead and hit Ctrl K to break the text into pieces. Then you go ahead and make the 60 bigger. Good. So let's just give it space, the text, then you put the 60 in the middle of happy birthday. So right now, what we're going to do is to go ahead, hit on shape tool, reduce the tracking just like so. Then you go ahead and just move the birthday closer. So right now, we are going to change the color of the 60. Let's sample the color with the help of color eyedropper to sample this color right here. Then you go ahead and pour it on the 60. Pour it on the 60. Can you see? Good. So right now, what we're going to do is to go ahead and just create some kind of style. So it has to be very, we have to make it unique. So let's go ahead to what's it called, polygon tool. Then you go ahead and hold Ctrl key on keyboard, draw a perfect polygon tool. Go ahead to your shape tool, then you hold Ctrl down, pull this inward just like so to create star. Good. So right click on white, set the outline to white. So what we are going to do now is to make a copy. We are going to be placing the star, continuously. Good. So right now what you're going to do, change the color of this to this color, set the outline to that color, then you go ahead, make a copy, paste that somewhere here. Good. I think that's good. It has to be very unique and simple. So what you're going to do now is to go ahead, create an object on top of this place just like so with the help of rectangle tool. Right click to set the outline to none, then you make a copy downward. Good. So copy these two objects to the other side just like so. Right click. Good. Here we go. So right now select the whole thing, then you make it smaller, adjust that just like so. Good. You are good to go with this. Can you see that? So let's go ahead and create what's it called, the profile picture. So right now let's go ahead and just make a copy, right, drag that to the top of the object, then click on copy your property. So right now let's just clip this picture into place. Good. So make this bigger. So right now let's make a copy of this text that we created, then you go ahead and just reduce that. Good. So what we're going to do now is to just create a bar on top of that. So change the color to the main color, right click to set the outline to none, then you go ahead to your transparency tool, click. So right now what you go do is to clip this into place, then hold Alt key, adjust the object just like so. Here we go. So here's the finished line of what we have been creating so far. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel by clicking on the button below subscribe, and don't forget to hit that like button so that other people can benefit from what we have shared so far. See you in the next video. Bye for now.